सिद्धि सप्तपदार्थानां सप्तभंगीनयान्नवा साधक न्याय सद्भावात् तेषां सिद्धौ किमद्भुतम् एकस्मिन्
What at takara you remove? Ekasmin sadasattvadi. That one takara is there, no? That should be removed.
विरुद्ध प्रतिपादनात् अपन्याय सप्तभंगी न च जीवस्य सांशता
Saptabhangi Naya. This is famous thing. Saptabhangi Naya or Saptabhangi Nyaya. Also they are called Syadvada. So all this is there. So they are or Kaya. Like that now Vaisheshikas are fond of what is that? Samavaya, etc. So like these fellows are Bhangi. Saptabhangi Naya or Saptabhangi Nyaya, Syadvada, etc. or Panchakaya and all those things. Saptabhangi Naya Saptapadarthanam Siddhi Na Va Sadhaka Nyaya Sadbhava Tesham Siddhau Kim Adbhutam Ekasmin Sadasattvadi Viruddha Pratipadana Saptabhangi and Rupa Nyaya Saptabhangi and Rupa Nyaya Apanyaya Cha Jivasya Samshata Na Jivasya Samshata Cha Jivasya Samshata Na. First the doubt. Saptabhangi Naya. What is the Saptabhangi? Bhangi there means prakara mode, division. A rule of 7 modes, 7 prakara or 7 division. We see that in Bhashyakara himself explains it. So by the rule of 7 modes, 7 divisions, it says there, Saptapadarthanam Siddhi, establishing of 7 padartha. They also, according to Jaina Mata, what are they? We'll see in detail. Siddhi, Nava, can it be established? Existence of 7 things, can it be established or not established? This is the doubt. Purvapaksha says, what a great thing. They gave the way of establishing that and therefore it should be established. He says, Sadhaka Nyaya Sadbhava. Sadbhava, because of the presence of rule. Of what rule? Sadhaka Nyaya. That establishes the 7th padartha. Because of the presence of rule, so that is Saptabhangi Nyaya, which establishes the 7th padartha. Tesham means there are 7 things, will be seen what they are. Siddhau, in the existence. Kim Adbhutam, what surprise is that? What wonder is that? So they have got a mode of establishing that and therefore it can be established. Siddhanta. Ekasmin Sadasattvadi Viruddha Pratipadana. So this is what they do. Ekasmin Jive. In one Jiva, because in Padartha, 7 Padartha, first one is Jiva. So we see that. So Ekasmin Jive Sadasattvadi Viruddha Pratipadana. See, by revealing or showing Sat, existence, and non-existence, how one and the same thing can be both as such and such thing, it can be described, it cannot be described. How such uncertainty can be there with respect to one given jiva. Pratipadana, it says Saptabhangi Rupa Nyaya, the rule of Saptabhangi. Saptabhangi, 7 modes or 7 divisions, 7 prakara, the rule of 7 prakara, 7 modes, samyaya. Apanyaya means nyayabhasa. It is a semblance of rule. There is no rule at all. Everything is uncertain, only there. Again, jivasya samshatachana. Jiva cannot be samsha. Samsha means savayava. If jiva is savayava, we know what will happen? Jiva will be anitya, destructive. Anything that is savayava is subject to destruction. Jiva is nitya, it cannot be anitya. So therefore, say that is Jaina Mata, Saptabhangi Nyaya is not acceptable. It cannot, it is not correct. So Adhikarana topic is repetition of Jaina Mata. Naikasmin asambhava. Ekasmin asambhava na. What Jainas say is that according to Jaina Mata, a given thing has got many facets. You can say it is not, it is, it can be described, or it is, it cannot be described, it is not, it cannot be described. Like that, one and the same thing, they subjected to many facets. It says, ekasmin akhanda paramartha rupe vastuni. In a given true thing, akhanda paramartha rupe vastuni, asambhava. Asambhava means viruddha dharmanam asambhava. Opposite features cannot abide. Asambhava, viruddha dharmanam asambhava. There being no possibility of opposed feature being there in one and the same existing thing. So therefore, na means vastunaha aneka rupatvam na vastu. A given thing doesn't have many facets in terms of existence, non-existence. It can be described, it cannot be described, and all that. Such means aneka rupatvam means uncertainty. A given thing cannot have uncertainty. It is certainly as it is. It is certainly as it is. There cannot be room for uncertainty if it is an existing thing. Again here, Vyavahar also comes. Next sutra. Evam cha atmakatmyam Ratnaprabha jivasya deha parimanatam dushayati. He points out the defect in their philosophy that jiva is of the size of the physical body. Now, पूर्वोक्त दृष्टान्तेन स्याद्वादे दोषान्तरं समुच्चिनोति एवं पूर्वोक्त दृष्टान्तेन. What is पूर्वोक्त दृष्टान्त? Dosha of asambhava, of sattva and asattva in one and the same dharmi. That is that. So Pura Sutra. So that is that. So Purva is that. Purvokta drishtantena syadvade, with respect to the Saptabhangi Nyaya, doshantaram samuchitoti. He adds another defect to that. With respect to the philosophy, The jiva is of the size of the physical body. Evam cha. Evam cha means just as in the Vyachadvada, dosha of ekatra viruddha dharma sambhava. Ekatra viruddha dharma sambhava. The defect of, that is, not abiding of two opposite features in one and the same thing. So, Vyachadvade prasaktaha praptaha evam. Two things cannot abide in the one and the same thing. Similarly, tata, evam means tata. Okay. Akrasnyavadam cha. And also, in addition to that, akrasnyam, तथा च आत्मनः अकार्ष्ण्यम्, आत्माकार्ष्ण्यम् means आत्मनः अकार्ष्ण्यम् means कार्ष्ण्य is पूर्णता, अकार्ष्ण्य is absence of पूर्णता, absence of पूर्णता. So that means मध्यम परिमाणता और परिच्छिन्नता. कार्ष्ण्य means अपूर्णता, मध्यम परिमाणत्वम और परिच्छिन्नत्वम, leading to अनित्यत्वम. All these are corollaries. एवं च आत्मनः अकार्ष्ण्यम्. Therefore, what will happen? So jiva, Atma here is jiva, will become parichinna, and because it will become parichinna, so like ghatadeva anityatvam, it will be destructive. Ekya sutra tells nacha paryayadapi avirodha vikaradibhya अन्वय पर्यायादपि अविरोधः इति, add इति, पर्यायाद अपि अविरोधः add इति, continue न च add वक्तव्यम विकारादिभ्यः, after add वक्तव्यम then continue विकारादिभ्यः. This sutra has got two meanings. One meaning, पर्यायाद means क्रमशः, क्रमेण, अति अविरोधः. If you say by kramena, what is that kramena? Depending on the size of the body, either the avayavas get added or deleted, get increased or decreased. Then avirodha, what avirodha? Jiva will be deha parimana. Jiva will be of the size of what? Embodiment. Because avayavas, they get added or they get deleted depending on what type of embodiment is taken by the jiva. The iti avirodha means there is no contradiction in saying that jiva is sharira parimana. Iti nacha vaktavyam. You should not say. Means you can't say. Why? Because vikaradibhya. In that case also what will happen? Avayavas coming and avayavas going, increasing, decreasing in vikara. Any vikari is anitya, vinashi, and your siddhanta is atma is nitya. You are contradicting with your own siddhanta. That should be kept in the mind. According to you, atma is nitya. So, it applies to who? Jivatma. Only Jivatma has got samsara. That samsara has to be removed. But original nature is nitya only as such. So therefore what will happen? Vikara adibhya. On account of the defects of vikara adi, so what will happen? Jiva will be destructible, which is against your theory that Atma, your acceptance that Atma is nitya. This is one meaning by taking paryaya as kramena. Other meaning of paryaya can be taken as santana or pravaha, flow. He says, look, this is possible because paryayadati, there is a constant flow of different types of embodiment, and it is possible. This different flow is possible. This flow, santana, is a questionable thing. Is it a thing or not a thing? For example, santana example is the river. The river continuously flows. As a river, water continuously flowing as a river. River is water santana. Water or jala pravaha, jala santana. Now this pravaha, is it a thing or an appearance? Here, let us not crack our head. In either case, because this is not, actually it is not a, it is an illusion, it is an optical illusion only as such. But even if you say it is not, then avastu, Atma will be what? Avastu. If you say yes, thing, vikari, vikaradibhya. Either case, but it will be, the Bhashyakara himself is going to explain as such. So vikaradibhya, whether you take paryaya kramena or santana or pravaha. See what has happened. So jiva cannot be sharira parimana. Continue. Again, further problem is there. You know what they say? The Atma of Bhukta is Nitya, Sthira. There is no change at all. If he has got Sthira Parimana, that Parimana should be the earlier also, in the beginning and in the middle. Because Atma is not subject to change. He may get subjected to samsara, but Atma by itself is of the same dimension in moksha. Same thing should apply in the beginning and in the middle. So therefore, how do you say Atma is varying in accordance with the size of the embodiment? You can't say, because your own, it is against your own philosophy. Ratnaprabha, next page, first line. Yam sthulam va sukshmam va deham grinati taddeha parimanaha eva jivaha iti niyamam dushayati. The rule that Atma is of the dimension of whatever bigger or smaller embodiment is taken. Dushayati, these points of the defect. Jnananaya, first line. Itapi na jivasya kramena upachitapasita parimanatvam iti. Itapi, because of the reason that is going to be given here, is this. Atma cannot be of the deha parimana. अंत्यावस्थितेः च उभय नित्यत्वात् अविशेष. Cha is ati also, to add further. Antyavasthiteः, antyasya avasthiti. Antyasya means मोक्षावस्था भाविनः जीव परिमाणस्य. Jiva, who is in the state of moksha, his parimana, because it is jiva and parimana is there. Yes. In our case, upadhi rahita, there is no question of parimana here. But here, jiva is there, antyasya, more than one who is in the state of moksha,
whatever dimension of the jiva is there, so it is nitya avastitehe. Avastitehe means nityatvena avastitehe. Because according to you, the dimension of the jiva in the state of moksha happens to be what? Nitya. Here nitya means sthira. Sthira means eka parimana of one and the same dimension. One and the same dimension. So, vasitehe ubhaya nityatva. Of earlier two states also, it should be nitya means eka parimana. What is the ubhaya? That is adya purvayoho api adya madhyama parimanayoho. Adya parimana, dimension of jiva in the beginning and dimension of jiva in the middle. Because moksha is taken as the end. So it is all along that song. It is ubhaya. Ubhaya, that is adya madhya. Nityatvat. Nityatvat means eka parimanatva. Avisheshaha, samya, similarity of dimension of Atma as that which abides in the moksha. The Atma is the same as that. So only he got subjected to samsara, and because of your sadhana etc., he has got paid mana and has started upward flight. He has already begun. So has already begun the upward flight. Avishesha means samya, samyatvam. Samyatva is what? In all the things. Dimension of jiva in the beginning, dimension in the middle, and at the end in the moksha.